Hi there, in this video we're going to be stepping through another one of the features that ListingsMagic offers, which is submitting the virtual tour to the MLS. And so a lot of companies don't focus on this, and it's a real shame because one of the best ways for you to get exposure for your property and get more views, which equals happier sellers, is to ensure and make sure that you get that virtual tour link uploaded to your local MLS. And there are a couple of MLSs that we have the ability to upload and submit to directly, but it's not that common. And so it's going to be up to you oftentimes to get that URL link to copy and paste that and put it into your MLS. And so for example, I will do a RE Colorado, which is the local MLS here in the Denver market that we're at. I have the ability to log in as an agent, so I can actually show you where that takes place. And again, for your MLS, it's going to be different, but probably somewhat similar. Come on, where's the login? There it is. And again, why it's important is that if the property is going to get disseminated out to all of the, depending on the size of the MLS, hundreds, if not thousands of IDX websites, and those include Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, places that are bigger portals. Your competitors, Redfin, Coldwell Banker, Remax, they all pull that data in directly from your MLS. And so if you fail to put the virtual tour link in there, it's a missed opportunity for you to get more exposure for your property. And the other great thing about ListingsMagic is that even if your MLS requires the virtual tours to be unbranded, which many MLSs do based on IDX requirements, we will still show and display the fully branded tour if it's being opened up from Zillow or Trulia or Realtor.com. So pretty important because that gives you that extra branding, lead generation possibilities that you might not be getting. So again, lots of reasons why you want to make sure you get that URL put in place. And so I'm just going to go to the input for a listing here, and I'll just choose one of the listings here. And so there's a place where you can manage the virtual tours. And so you just click on that, and you'll see this one already has one in there, but this is where you will take and paste in the link, and I'll show you, so this is option 3 in the Manage Properties area. So this is where when you go to a particular listing and you submit it, or you submit and choose that listing, you're going to be taken to the Manage Properties area, and you're going to see that virtual tour not submitted is still in red. And so you want to get that tour URL, and again, depending upon your MLS, if you want the fully branded, you do that. Or if you want the unbranded, you would copy that one. And once you do that, I'm just going to copy that one. You would come back to your MLS, put that in. Of course, I'm not going to save that one because this is not the right property. This is a different listing altogether. But you would save that in your MLS, and once you're done, what we've done is that once that's complete, all you need to do is have you submitted the tour successfully, check, boom, you're done. One less thing to worry about off of your checklist of items. Again, we do most things in an automated manner. Some things we can't automate completely, and many times with the different MLSs out there, this is one of those cases. So any questions you've got on this, let us know at support@listingsmagic.com. Thanks for watching.